Hey there guys, it's Mr. Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari, also known as Mokujin21, and as you can see, we've got the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition. I'm super excited to see what's inside the box, but first let me just let you know that you can pre-order this device, and in different markets, the pre-order ends on the 15th of December. There are only 15 countries that are going to get this phone, including Australia, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Korea, Norway, Russia, Spain, Sweden, Turkey, UAE, UK, and the USA. Batteries not included. Well, I mean, the battery's in the phone, but stupid joke. Let's move on. On the 19th of December, of course, this is when we can enjoy the Star Wars, the Rise of the Skywalker in UAE theaters and, of course, in other theaters around the world. So if you're interested in pre-ordering this phone, we're going to have a link in the description below. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, guys, so let's just go ahead and open up this box. As you can see, when we remove the sleeve, we remove this top layer, and all we see is this mask over here. Oh, I'll show you the dark side. That's what it says. Can you see that text? I'll show you the dark side. Let's go ahead and open this up. We can see that we've got a cover over here. Looks like it's leather. Let me just smell this real quick. Oh, that's real leather, guys. And then from the inside, we got this like suede effect. Look at that. We've got the dark side kind of like symbol over here. That's really hard to see. But man, this leather feels really good. And of course, as you can see, it says Star Wars. I like it. Next, we've got this metallic looking card over here. This is actually pretty cool. Nice little collector's thing. And I'm going to add this definitely to my collection. And this is where we've got this drawer over here. We pull this open. We've got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Buds. I'm going to go ahead and open this box in just a second. But first, let's see what's special about these buds. Sup, bud? All right, so let's go ahead and open up this tiny box where we've got the buds, and it looks like we've got the black buds. Let's see if they've color-coded this too. It's black from the outside. We've got the USB-C over here so we can charge it, and we can also wirelessly charge it. And from the inside, oh my goodness, look at that, it's so good. It's red. I think MKBHD is gonna go crazy, red and black. And of course, these are wireless buds. It's really nice that they include this with the phone, and of course it also comes with a different rubber ear tip, so depending on the size of your ear holes, and of course a USB-C cable. So this is really exciting. This is really cool. Let's leave this open to the side right over here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open up the Note 10 Plus. I'm super excited. We remove this cover, put it to the side, and we can see that we've got a black phone, although we've got some red accents over here. Let's go ahead and remove the phone, and boom. Okay, let me just say that this looks like a black chrome more than just a black. It's got this really cool shine to it. And we can see that we've got the red accents to the side and of course on the buttons themselves. And if we go ahead and remove the pen, which looks like it's black, but if we remove the pen, boom, look at that, it's red. And that's, of course, to look like a little mini tiny lightsaber. That's super cool. Let's go ahead and turn it on and let me show you some of the cool things that you also get software related with the Note 10 Plus Star Wars Edition. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got a different animation when you go ahead and boot up the phone for the first time, or actually every time. Also, let's go ahead and pull out the pen for a second. Let's see what happens. Do you hear that? Oh my goodness, it's like a little mini lightsaber. Okay, so then of course when you write, it's going to go ahead and write in red. This is pretty cool. Here guys, here's just a little reminder. Little reminder. And then when we put this back in, oh my God, that's so good. It's like, I love it when companies pay attention to detail like that, you know? Not only just with the little accents and the cover and so on. I mean, if you want one of the best phones of 2019, you're going to love this phone, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. I think you're going to get as pumped up as I am. So let me go ahead and turn the phone on. You can see that we've got this theme going on. And if I unlock it, boom, look at the beautiful wallpaper, man. This is perfect. So I know I'm excited. I know I'm fanboying over here, but I think a lot of you are going to be fanboying over this. Especially, that's probably why you're watching this video right now. And guys, this phone looks so good. And then when I put it side by side with the white one, oh, we got the Stormtrooper version. So this is the difference between the two. I like it. So as you can see, they've got a different icons. And if we pull down, you can see it's gone with the black and red theme. If we go into settings, You can also see that it's the black and red theme, and it's got this like grid-like pattern in the background. Hopefully you can spot that. And if we go back to the home page or the main screen, let's go ahead and select themes. I'm going to choose that. You can see that we've got the dark side RC, and it's got lock screen wallpaper. You've got your home screen wallpaper, different dialer. You've got different, it's black, gray, and red when you're reading your messages. This is what the dialer looks like, the keypad. And let's go home. This is what messages looks like. I don't have any messages on it at the moment, of course. What else can I show you? Camera. Hey guys, what's up? That looks pretty much the same. What is this? Oh, that's the browser. I was like, what is that? So that's the browser. Let's also take a look at the wallpapers that we have. We're going to select View All. These are your different wallpaper options, as you can see. I can't zoom in. I don't want to just go ahead and change it. Because anyway, these are the wallpapers that we've got. I want to hear from you guys. If you want me to go ahead and upload these so that you can use them on your phone, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to upload them as fast as possible. But I don't really want to change the wallpaper. I feel like this is the best. I mean, it looks so amazing. And again, the attention to detail is really, really cool. So anyway, guys, this was just meant to be a quick unboxing showing you what you get when you get the special Star Wars edition. I think that it's a really cool package. I love that they've customized the buds. I love the special leather case. I love this collector's metal card. That's some high quality stuff. And of course, as I said, I've put the information down below just in case you're interested in purchasing the phone. And now it's time for some beauty shots. Don't forget, guys, if you like this video, give me a like, because thumbs are free, but they mean a lot to me. Take care.